Hi everyone, today in this video we will see how you can overcome most of the common errors in Windows Media Player. Like I was trying to play a file today and was presented with this error code. So following this method you can overcome most of the error codes in this media player. To get started, simply go to search and type optional features. Now in this search box type Windows Media. You'll get the option of Windows Media Player. Click on it and finally click on remove. Now wait for the removal process to finish. So once removed, you can click in this add a feature. Now search for Windows Media Player and you'll get this option. Simply check mark this box and click on add. Now wait for the process to finish. It may take some time depending on the speed of your internet. So after getting successfully added, you can now play the file. And this time you won't get any type of error codes. So following this method, you can overcome most of the error codes in Windows Media Player. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the video helpful. Thank you.